Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a Likee account or how to sign up in a Likee app. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. So you can see on my screen that I've already installed Likee app. You can also get it through App Store or Play Store. After getting it, simply tap an open option to open it. This will take you to the very first page without being logged in or without having your own profile. So to get a profile, tap on this profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to the login options where you can log in with Google, with Facebook, with phone, email or VK. Just tap on login with email. I'm going to create it with email and show you. So you can simply choose one of the email account. I'm going to choose one to create it that I have on my phone. You can do the same. It's being loaded over here. That means I'm getting logged in with my own profile. So simply tapping on one of the email account has made me logged in, and now I can discover more friends by simply tapping on discover now and allowing the access. You can see that I do have two of my friends whom I can follow, and simply I'm already following it and I can tap on got it to move further. So you can see I do have a profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it. This is with the name, and I've been following three of the persons over here. So simply by tapping on one of the email ID, I have just created an account. So this is how you do it. This is how you create an account or sign up on Likee app. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.